Are you tired of soaring electricity bills and looking for a way to take control of your energy? Imagine powering your home with clean, free solar energy, right from your own backyard. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to build a DIY solar panel system for your home. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned DIYer, this guide will help you harness the power of the sun. Let's get started. Before we dive in, let's quickly go over what you'll need. For this project, you'll need 1. Solar cells or pre-made solar panels. Choose based on your budget and skill level. 2. Plywood or a rigid frame to mount your panels securely. 3. Charge controller to regulate voltage and protect your batteries. 4. Deep cycle batteries to store the energy you generate. 5. Inverter to convert stored DC power to AC power for your home. 6. Wiring, connectors, and a soldering kit for electrical connections. 7. Basic tools such as a drill, saw, multimeter, and screwdrivers. 8. Safety gear, gloves, eye protection, and a mask if soldering. Ensure these materials are ready before starting. You can find most items at local hardware stores or online. First, plan your layout. Sketch a diagram showing how your solar cells or panels will be arranged on your frame. Consider the optimal angle, usually 30 to 45 degrees, to face the sun for maximum energy capture. Next, secure your solar cells or panels onto your frame. If using individual cells, solder them together in series or parallel to achieve the desired voltage and current. For pre-made panels, attach them using screws or brackets. Ensure they're firmly in place and properly angled. Now, wire the panels together using quality copper wiring and secure connections with proper connectors. Attach the wiring to your charge controller. This device prevents overcharging your batteries by regulating the voltage. Connect your charge controller to deep cycle batteries, which store your energy. Always double-check battery polarity to prevent damage. Finally, connect your battery bank to the inverter. The inverter converts the DC power into AC power for household use. Test the system with a multimeter to ensure correct voltage before integrating it with your home's electrical system. Before celebrating your DIY solar system, perform these safety tests. Use a multimeter to check all wiring connections. Verify the charge controller is functioning properly. Test the inverter output to ensure stable AC power. And there you have it. You've built your very own DIY solar panel system for your home. This not only cuts down your electricity bills, but also contributes to a greener, sustainable future. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more DIY renewable energy projects, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Leave a comment below if you have questions or want to share your own projects. Thanks for watching. Remember, every ray of sunshine is an opportunity to save energy.